You are going to open up the battery panel, slide the gray switch to the left and down, opens it up, and it's underneath the left side battery. You're going to open up the left side battery, just pop it out by toggling over to the switch. This will also have your model number and serial number on this back panel, so if you're looking to find that, not have to go in the BIOS, it's on a sticker right here. The nano SIM card would be right here. There's a little diagram. It shows that it goes this way, so we're going to slide this over. There's a toggle switch that goes over to the right. It's right there. Opens up the door. The nano SIM card is right underneath here. So not only is it underneath the battery, it's also kind of underneath the Toughbook logo, slightly hidden. But if you just follow this video, it's really easy to find if you know where it's at, as are all things easy to find if you know where they're at. Anyways, so whenever you put the SIM card in there, you're going to want to close that little door. Make sure you toggle it over to lock it. And put your battery back in. Make sure that's locked, seated, and flush. Put your panel in and just slide it along the hinges. It locks automatically. And you've activated the SIM card, put it in your CF33, and you're ready to access cellular data and internet wherever you have a cellular connection.